Welcome to Everyday Cooking. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay connected, and it is absolutely free.
Today let us see how to prepare Rava or Sooji Paniyaram. This recipe is very simple, you can do it quickly and it is an instant version. Moving on to the recipe, pour some oil in a pan. To this add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and half a teaspoon of split black gram, that is urad dal. Once the mustard starts popping, add few curry leaves, a quarter cup of chopped onions, and few chopped coriander leaves. Saute everything well till the onion turns translucent. Once this is ready, add the semolina, that is Sooji. This is 1 cup of Sooji. Roast this for about 2 to 3 minutes. This is ready, let us transfer this into a bowl. For the spiciness, let us add half a teaspoon of chili powder. We need a little sour taste for the recipe, so add 2 tablespoons of curd and the required amount of salt. In addition to this, I have added juice of half a lemon. My curd is not sour enough, so I have added lemon juice. If you want, you can avoid it. Add water little by little and make a nice thick batter. The Sooji has to absorb water and become smooth, so let us leave this for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add quarter teaspoon of baking soda and give a nice mix. If your batter is thick, add little more water. The batter has to be like this. Now pour some oil in a paniyaram pan. Pour the batter slowly. Close this and cook for a few minutes. Let us flip it now. Let this be on the flame until the outer layer is crispy. So here our paniyaram is ready. Hope you like the recipe. We'll join you in another interesting recipe, and don't forget to subscribe our channel.